Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the Culinary Expedition. Today we are in Senegal. Tonight I'll be preparing Thieboudienne. Senegalese cuisine is a flavorful blend of West African, French, and North African influences. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to be adding some yellow onion, a little bit of salt, and pepper. We're just going to saute the onions until they're soft. Onions are looking good. Now we're going to add the garlic. Cook the garlic for about 30 seconds. We're going to add some tomato paste. And cook for a minute or so. Got a couple pieces of cod that I've already salted and peppered. We're just going to brown each side. And give it a flip. And another flip. Okay, let's set this aside. Oh, beautiful. We'll set them aside. Yummies. Now we're going to add some water. I'm going to just do a little maintenance here, a little scraping. I'm going to add some Indian carrot, some sweet potato, some green cabbage, some eggplant, give this just a gentle stir. I'm going to add some dried ginger and thyme and some red pepper flakes. Give this a gentle stir. So what we're going to do is bring this up to a boil, then we're going to reduce it down to low for a simmer, and we're going to simmer this for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, let's check on the veggies. Looking good. Just going to give them a quick stir. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take the cod that we had already seared, and we're just going to put it right on top of the veggies. Put the lid back on and simmer for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check the cod and the veggies. And here we go. Ooh, the cod looks really nice. The veggies are done. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Senegalese Thieboudienne, cod over simmered vegetables over a bed of white rice. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun.